All right, good morning, guys. YouTube people world, whoever, wherever. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. Got a couple things. Well, really one thing I'm doing. It's a Yamaha 2019 Yamaha YXZ1000 R SS SE Sport Shift Special Edition. Blah blah blah. Anyway, trying to get rid of an exhaust leak. So this is going to be my plan to get rid of it. It's a V-band that I'm going to try to TIG weld on. Also have exhaust seals. So this goes for the header. And then, yeah, I'm going to try to TIG weld it all the way around. Delete what's on there, because I'm getting an exhaust leak. I did seal this up and everything, but it's almost like... So, for you guys that don't know, this is an MPI aftermarket turbo. So, your boost comes in here, exhaust creates boost, but I think I'm getting a boost leak through here. The kit just comes with a little band, almost like a hose clamp, and then you put it on there. This is for a 16 to 18, so the exhaust is a little bigger on the 19s, I believe, which is why I was having a problem. So I ended up flaring the adapter, flared the adapter a little bit, or I might have flared the exhaust. Maybe I flared the exhaust a little bit. I can't remember. Either way, one of them I flared. So now I got to take it off. Taking the flange off. I got all the bolts out. For that, I got to take all these bolts off for the exhaust, the header. Take the O2 sensor off. I might leave it in and then just unplug it up here. Probably what I will do. Or I might take it off. I might just take it off. Unplug it and take it off, because I'm going to be welding somewhere in here. Anyway, let me get this off. All these bolts were 12 millimeter heads this way, and then the other one goes towards me. These are 12, I believe. So let me get this off, see what I can figure out. I'm going to have to do a lot of measuring, a lot of marking, because it doesn't just sit straight. It sits like at an angle. Anyway, we'll pull it off. We'll figure it all out. I'll be back. All right, guys, got the exhaust off. Got everything cut, squared, measured up. So from that end to that end, it's going to be 151.6 millimeters from there to there. So I got 3 reference marks, so I didn't do 2 so that I can't put it like that. I can't put it like that. So I'm going to TIG weld it like that. It'd be good. Nope. Goes like that. So this one's going to be kind of a pain because it wants to kind of fall in there. So I have to get it straight. This line here is perfectly straight. With this line here, it's perfectly straight. So that's cut square. This is cut square. So with the 44 millimeter gap in there, I just have to weld this square on there, and then obviously it's only gonna go one way. So anyway, got the TIG welder, got everything ground down, got the TIG welder set, 40 amps. I'm gonna be using some of this welding wire, hopefully. Let's see if it'll work. I'm not gonna blow up my camera, but got argon, got everything, got a welding hood on. So yeah, I'm just gonna tack them real quick, and then yeah, we'll show you guys what it looks like after. But it's not gonna matter, you know, where I weld it. You know, as long as it's on top of everything, then everything should be good. Anyway, yeah, that's what I got. I'm gonna wipe some stuff down with some acetone real quick, and just didn't want to do it because my hands are greasy and dirty. So all I did was cut it with a hacksaw. I actually put tape around it to get a straight line, a square line, and then I marked up 44 millimeters, and then I marked that on this side, and which was obviously here, but then wrap tape around it. You know, I did 44 here, 44 there, all four corners, so that when I put the tape, it was square on all corners. And then wrap tape around it, marked it with the Sharpie, and yeah, here we go. Uh-oh, the time has come to start doing this. Weld it just like that. Got the V-bands. See how it works. Alright, this piece I had to add a little material. Right there. I had it too straight. Like it was too straight this way. So I had to probably like a, I don't know, 3/16 inch gap I had to fill. Then I had a lot of material to get out of there. So got all the material out of there. This one came out good. There's a lot of splatter, I guess. Hopefully that's not a hole. Yeah. There we go. Alright guys, I'm done. They are painted. Had to add a little extra material on this side, because I ground out everything to make it all smoothish, so I'd get maximum volume from the exhaust. This side wasn't that bad to weld, but anyway, yeah, this side wasn't too bad. That I don't think goes through. Pretty sure it doesn't go through. Anyway, so yeah, I kind of messed up a little bit. So when I just tacked it, basically tacked it here, tacked it there, you know, to the header, tacked it to this, and then stuck it on the car, and it wouldn't work. It was off. This side was tight, this side was off, so you can see it was like this. I had to kick it that way, this bottom piece. So anyway, I think we got it. I think we're good. Yeah, so show you, even with this silicone and this other junk, I was still having blow by, because these are not round. They're more square, especially this piece. So anyway, but yeah, cut them as best I could. And yeah, this is what we have left over. While I had the TIG welder out, I wanted to weld up some 6mm longer socket deals, because all I have is a ball. Anyway, always wanted to weld them up. So obviously not 1/4 inch and not 7mm, but I figured while I had the TIG welder out, might as well. Anyway, I guess we can throw it on, go for a test drive. Tighten it all up. Ended up using this table that my wife found in the trash somewhere that was all bent and mangled, and I ended up bending it back, but worked out pretty good. Yeah, let me throw it on. I got to throw new gaskets on. So that was one of the things that when it wasn't lining up, I was like, oh, I got to put the gaskets back in. So got new gaskets, and yeah, I'm gonna throw those in, button this thing up, take it for a rip, see how it works. So we'll be back. All right, guys, went for just a quick rip up and down the street, and it's gonna be hard to tell, but I think we're good. I think it's a job well done. V-band that junk. Don't do the stupid clamp that they recommend. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna go I'm gonna eat something first. Ouch, hurt. And then I'm just gonna go for a little cruise up in the desert. But anyway, I gotta put some stuff away, eat some lunch, go to the post office, drop off a package, and then if we got mail, come back, drop the mail off, and then go for a little cruise. Just a little up that hill right there, little cruise. See how it does on boost. Just ripping it down the street, it was able to hold boost better. So I think I had a boost leak in that fitting. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think. I'm supposed to be going to Dumont in 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. The sand dunes. We'll see what happens. That's why I'm doing this. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.